Hello everybody, previously on my channel I did unboxing of one huge bag from the company mark Ryden, but now we will unbox the wallet from the same company. Inside the box you will find quality certificate and instruction manual which advise that you should wash this wallet only by hand washing. As you can see, the wallet is made by combining several materials such as real leather and high density Oxford fabric, which is splash proof. The wallet is available in grey and black color, and even the small details like zipper puller and carry holder are made from real leather. The zipper itself is huge and it opens very smoothly. Inside the wallet there are several compartments. One section is for coin money, so let's try that right now. Okay, it's secure, you will not lose your dirhams. To try paper money section, I have some euros, dinars, dirhams, riyals, and as you can see, they all can fit without any problem, and you don't need even to fold them since the wallet size is very big. The final section inside is the section for card, and this is the section I like the least. The wallet is designed to put cards horizontal and not vertical, so this makes a big problem. As you can see, you will struggle to put some cards. There is space for 4 cards in total, so if you are looking for card holder, I will definitely recommend buying some other item. You will find some videos on my channel for card holders that I previously did unboxing. That will be all for the inside section, but there are 2 more outside sections, and this idea I like very much since you can easily fit your phone here and close it securely. Overall, I like the wallet build quality. The sections for paper and coin money are very good. Also, outside sections are useful. Things I don't like are the card holder section. As you saw, it is not very practical, and also the size of the wallet, I found it to be too big, so maybe not ideal for every occasion. With that, I will conclude this video with note that you should definitely check the Mark Ryden store on the link below in the description of this video, since they have so many other designs, and also they are even better in making the high quality bags. Until next video, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.